we have covered many things. Team members have come up with many different and beautiful illustrations, and they have shared many things about what we do here in Colored Cow. And I was thinking, what else I can pick? What is left? Is there anything means else what I can bring and add to my story and discuss and brought new things into the in this mentorship group? And I was confused. I was not aware. What should I do? And then one day, I just thought, let's go back to basic. Let's go back to basic and think what is the main attributes of mentorship, which we are following in Colored Cow, and it is an essential part of mentorship. And it struck to me, yes, it is to identify and figure out one's interest and capability in a specific area and give them ample of opportunity to grow in that area. So there's a quote from John Corsi: mentoring is a brain to pick, an ear to listen, and push in the right direction. So in Colored Cow, we believe if someone is doing work of his or her interest, they go very high. They do, extraordinary work. In comparison, if person is doing anything which is not of his or her interest. If I look around, there are ample of examples. Almost everyone in Colored Cow have got benefited of this attribute, and they have grown in their life. So you will find people from same college, some same batch, and there are batchmates and maybe from a same stream they're working. But here in Colored Cow, they're doing different work in different areas. Someone is handling customers and making business relationship healthier and stronger. Someone is interested in technical things and they are taking the stack higher and achieving new heights in that. Someone took a route of a solution architect and they are making complex systems and application solutions for clients. Someone is technically aligned and they are given opportunities to explore it further and take it to the next level. And someone is good at people skills, right? And those are taking care of one of our office. So there are ample of things. If I look around, these are all the attributes, what a basic attribute which a mentor should be seeing into their mentees. And recent example I can share that we have a new member, Hitesh, joined Colored Cow. He joined as a designer, but that he has graduated from computer science. And I assume you all must have watched movie Tare Zameen Par, but to who have not watched, I just want to bring a couple of lines of that. There's a hero in that story, a small kid, and he was extraordinary creativity skills he has, but he was pushed to do things in the normal fashion to compete in the race which he doesn't belong to. Then a mentor came. He not only solved his issues, but gave him a platform, a drawing competition, and after which everyone is loving that kid in that story. And if I take my example, I've got so many opportunities, here in Colored Cow. Not sure you are aware, I have coded somehow at my initial stage. Yeah, it was in a task to add a butter in a form in eTherapy docs. And I tried software testing for almost 8 months, created testing frameworks or PPTs. I've worked and, in tracking a project for some time, for 3 to 5 months. And I'm working and learning new things in operations and purchasing every day. From last 2 years, I've been actively working in finance area, which I'm liking it. I'm enjoying it. And I've been given full opportunity to explore it and streamline the things for better processes in Colored Cow. Not here, I'm stopping not here. Things are still going on. Since last 9 months, I've been working in a product support area of a very large, huge product, international product. And I think that I'm getting success there also. Sometimes I think, if we have started Colored Cow 15 years back, The growth I have seen in last 7 years in Colored Cow, it is many folds what I have seen in my corporate life in last 15 years. When I see these new joinees coming and joining directly from college, and with the span of couple of years, they're doing wonders. I envy, I feel if I've got this opportunity after my college, probably I've achieved much more what I have achieved today. But no hard feelings, it's better to be late than never. In Hindi, they say, jab jago, tabhi savera. So to conclude, one of the main attributes I think of mentorship is to identify what a person is good at and what he or she likes to do, excuse me, and pursue their interest area to achieve better. And this is what I feel every part in Colored Cow, it's there, and everybody is touched with this attribute of mentorship. Thank you.